In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Temu import charges and duty-free limits work for your order. If you're ordering from Temu and want to avoid surprises, it's important to understand what happens with taxes and customs before your package arrives. The main thing to check first is the total value of your order and whether it goes over your country's duty-free limit. In some places, that threshold may be around £135, while in others, it may be around €150. Since rules vary by country, always compare your package value against the limit that applies where you live. For lower value orders, the process is usually much simpler. If your purchase stays under your country's relevant threshold, you can generally expect Temu to automatically collect the standard local VAT or sales tax during checkout. That means the tax is often included before you place the order, so you're not left guessing later. When you review your final price, take a moment to look carefully at the checkout summary so you can see whether the local tax has already been added. If your order total goes above the high value threshold, the situation can change. In that case, your package may be held at the border by customs until any required local duty charges are paid. This does not always mean there is a problem with your shipment. It usually just means the parcel has crossed into the category where import duty or additional customs handling applies. So if your package seems delayed after arriving in your country, customs charges may be the reason. A helpful tip is to pay close attention to the full declared order value, not just the price of one item. Customs typically looks at the total value of the shipment when deciding whether duties apply. That's why a cart that seems affordable at first can still trigger extra import costs if the final amount climbs above the limit. The safest approach is to check your country's current duty-free threshold before ordering, review whether tax is already being collected at checkout, and be prepared for possible customs payment if your total is above that threshold. Understanding these 3 points can help you estimate the real cost of your order and avoid unexpected fees or delays when your package arrives.